In this video, we'll review how to use the action items within RightCapital's retirement analysis module. The action items are what allow you to dynamically make adjustments to a client's proposed plan and see the impact in real time. The first function of the action items is editing existing items that are feeding in from the client's profile. Profile inputs can be adjusted either by manipulating the sliders for each action item or by manually typing in a new value. After making a change, click Refresh to see the impact. The next thing we can do here is add new items to the client's proposal. To do this, start by clicking Edit in the lower right, and then click the Add New Items button at the bottom of this drawer. This allows you to add additional goals, income, expenses, and more to just the proposed plan. These items will be easily identifiable by their darker gray color in the action items. Lastly, we can implement a variety of strategies within the action items in the column on the right-hand side. Some of these strategies allow you to import custom models, like the asset allocation and retirement spending strategies, while others are directly tied to other planning modules in RightCapital, where you can dial in a detailed strategy for that element of a client's plan and then apply it within your proposal. As a final note, you can use the checklist within the Edit drawer to customize which variables are displayed within the action items. If you're ever looking to adjust an item that you aren't seeing, simply click Edit, check the box next to that item, click Save, and you'll then be able to adjust that variable. For additional information on the action items in RightCapital, please don't hesitate to utilize the RightCapital Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team with any questions.